Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete TikTok Shop Seller Center account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. It's a very easy process. First of all you need to do is go to your TikTok app. Go back from this section. So basically you will be in the home section, right? So what you need to do is you need to go to your profile and make sure you are logged in with your TikTok seller account. If you're in your private account, go ahead, switch that account, and that will be it. And then you're going to go to this profile section of your seller account and tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner. Go to your settings and privacy, go to the account section, and in the seller account, instead of this deactivate or delete account, you will find the close shop account option. Tap on that, choose this delete account permanently option, and choose a reason. There will be other kind of reasons for that matter. You can go ahead, skip that if you want. Tap on by continuing, tap on continue, and then tap on continue again. Then you will have to add in your password, and once you have done that, your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and after that it will be deleted. And that's all you need to do. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.